viewers, welcome back to our short piece trimming. Yes, my name is Maurice, the crochet master, and we're going to see on how we can sew on the short piece and then the trimming. And this time around, we always have to add on this net, and this one protects the short piece from itching. And then another thing, the question I've been getting from these people keep on asking, like how they can always oil their hair. Yes, maybe if you have the oil that is Vaseline, but if it's this oil, the oil that is oil, it can always be you can always oil it, because this is just a net. It is a see-through thing, so it means when you put oil, it can always go in your on your scalp. So this time around, we are looking at something that is very interesting, and I want to take you through to see how you can also learn how to trim this. This is very simple, but as long as you listen to these words that I'm going to tell you, trust me, you will have to be a pro like me. So most of the times when we are trimming a short piece, first and foremost, we need to understand like the first layer that we add down here. And this first layer, sometimes we have to put the only one layer. Yes, we have to put only one layer. Why we are doing the one layer? It's just because when we are trimming, we always make this when we reach at this part, it's always flat. So if it is flat, that means you don't need to add in like maybe two layers. No, you just have to make it one layer as you're continuing. So that means the way you're sewing have to differ the way you're going to trim, because there are those people who need it to be a lot like on top and then small on the sides. So what you will do, you'll have to make it like it will be a lot on top, like maybe you put like 2 or 3 to 4 layers like on top, and then on the sides you can keep on doing 1 or maybe 2 according to the cornrow. If I say the cornrow, it means if your cornrows is very small, like packed, because I've been seeing like that those people who do it when the cornrows are big. Yes, the round corner, when you find that it is big, so it means for you might be even adding 3, because once it is big and you add like 1 or maybe 2, it means it might show the humps might show, like it might show the cornrow how it is. That's why you find someone's doing a short piece and you're seeing the humps of the cornrows in whenever you see the short piece. So to avoid all that, you have to make sure that maybe your cornrow is packed. And now if it's packed like the way you can see mine, and if it's not packed like it's big, then it means the layers that you're adding, they're supposed to be also packed. Let me say, like for me, like right now here on the sides where I'm doing 2 layers. So if your cornrows is overspaced, you might do 4. You understand? Yes, the only thing is maybe those ones who make the bigger cornrow, they finish faster than me who does the small cornrows. But at the end of it all, you'll find that also this one is perfect in the way that you pack it well and it doesn't create those humps. So that is the only trick that you can always have to know when it is come to this short piece. So whenever I reach the behind, let's say now when I reach at this part, I may choose maybe to start doing the 2 layers, because you see like I'm heading up, so you just have to keep on increasing until you reach at the center. But make sure that on the side it is always a few layers than the front and then the behind. Yes, so another thing is, like most of the times whenever we are doing this, you need to focus on the head shape of your client, because we have seen that those ones who don't have the corner like in the back, those ones who their head are very straight, they're straight behind. So as you're adding, you have to make sure that you also see the behind, in that for the person who is when the person now you can see the behind, for her at least the head shape is okay. She has got the corner, but those ones who the behind of their the head, it is flat, the behind is flat. So you'll find you will have to add on the piece so that you can create that behind corner for yourself. So that is the only thing I can always teach you about this short piece. And trust me, once you learn how to do all that, you will have to be a pro like me. So let's continue, and I try to be faster here so that we get to know others.
Got thorns around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingite wongoyaka, yeah. Morris, the crochet master, did a make on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto wansa, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonyo mye, okwana nembaka. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Morris, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Morris, yeah. Oh na 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 na. Nobody do it like Morris. The crochet master, crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, no no. Morris got the touch of a crochet master. No no no. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah yeah. A touch of a crochet master, Morris. Yeah yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master. Crochet master, Morris. You crochet master, Morris. You crochet master. No, no, no. Touch of a crochet master. He's so good. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, there is something that I will always say. There is something that I will always tell you guys whenever you're here on this at the center, and whenever you're sewing at the center, please try to ask your client if they're feeling pain. But because once you feel pain while plating like the center, trust me, it will pain until you remove the hair. And if it pains until you remove the hair, you might even lose your middle hair, like the center hair. So please try to communicate with your client. Once they feel pain, you can always unplate that part, and then you redo it again in a soft way. So please, that is a very very important thing that you need to focus on, because at the end of it all, we want our clients to go happy, to feel the hair when they are very happy. So please make sure that if someone tells you that the center is paining, yes, like in the middle is paining, just try to even before sewing the short piece, try to remove that part and you redo it until she feels okay. So for now, I'm gonna be signing out. My name is Morris, the crochet master, because I always tell you that it is hard for me to teach you how to trim this. You just have to know it in your mind on how you're going to trim it, because if you know that it's going to be like a French cut, it means you have to trim on the sides and you leave at the top very free. Yes, and those ones who can't take care of this short piece, I would always advise not to do this piece like on top when it is too much. You just have to make sure that it is this medium. Sorry, I'm having some flow, that's why I'm talking like this, but it's okay. Yes, those ones who have if it's your first time like to do I would advise you at least to first do it this size, like maybe on top it is medium, not too big, in that it is very easy for you to comb it. You understand? So that is what I got for you. I'm gonna be signing out, but let's see how it is going to look like. I would advise you at least to first do it this size, like maybe on top it is medium, not too big, in that it is very easy for you to comb it. You understand? So that is what I got for you. I'm gonna be signing out, but let's see how it is going to look like.
Hair by clipper.